you will see na talagang for Allen Liwag kasi they have that jersey number of Allen.
Alright, fourth quarter officially underway. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Antonio Eusebio, up and under move.
Sorry miss, para dito kay Eusebio. Tutukan na eh.
Miller. Good defense by Inot to chase Jovel Baliling.
Kita mo yung depensa niya dito kay Baliling eh, no?
Jumawas.
Wala.
Torres with a rebound. Inot. Eusebio, free for three.
Iyon naman.
Antonio Eusebio.
Ayaw ng tutukan. Gusto niya sa malayo. And this is the biggest lead of the ball game para dito sa mga taga-Binil.
Miller. Letran has to make something happen. Baliling.
Oh, they were just passing the ball outside. Wala silang, kumbaga, hindi sila makaano nung downhill attack. Eto, di maano, short. Eto na naman si Kahukob.
Kahukob, in and out.
Ayun na naman. Medyo deadly siya ha, on open court ha. Parang alam mo yung, eto si Eusebio. Libre-libre iniwan ni Pao Villunar. Hindi naman pinahiya itong si Tony Inot.
Jimboy Estrada, Dio
Antonio Eusebio this season shooting 30.8% from the three-point line.
It's an average percentage para dito kay sa tres, para dito kay Eusebio. Binalik na ni Coach Allen yung mga ano niya, starters niya. Yun ang nangyayari, no? Pag inilalabas ni Coach Allen yung starting unit niya, nagkakaroon ng run ng kalaban. And if you were starting a second unit, at least steady lang. Hindi ka malalamang, mag-stable lang ba?
Kahukob converts on those free throws.
And lumalayo ang Binil dito without Allen Liwag and Sanchez on the floor. It's only Tony Inot para dun sa kanyang mga veterano.
Taking foul on number 11, Alain Kahukob. His third personal, one on the Blazers. 16 seconds on the shot clock.
Medyo napasobra yung pressure ni Kahu.
Wow. Santos. Another sorry miss for Kevin Santos.
Kickball.
Kickball.
You just need to finish those kinds of shots para dito kay Santos. Kasi ang laki niya eh. If he has it in his arsenal, yung mga ganun na hahanapin mo yung boards, tutukan eh.
Hindi ko alam kung minamalas eh.
Yan yung specialty naman ni Raymond Almasan. Yung mga ganyang tutukan, ang galing niyang hanapin yung boards.
Kahit may contact.
Oo.
Kahit may contact.
Yun ang kagandahan kay Raymond. Yung mga perimeter na yan, around the free throws, the free throw line, mati kay Raymond dyan. Eto.
Yan ang kailangan para sa Letran. Wow, he has to catch fire from the outside.
Oh. They need to catch him up now. With only 8 minutes, 11 points pa ang lamang dito ng ano. Eto na naman si Eusebio. Short.
Tapping ka ng bola. It's
Yun.
going to be Letran ball.
Pinapa-review nila para kay Coach Charles pero wala na. Both coaches already have they uses their review.
Okay, pakibalita muna tayo kay Ania Feteliaga.
The Benil Blazers are missing a big piece due to the absence of their starting point guard, Jobel Ancheta. However, Jomel told me that he believes that they can still win without him, and he expects Gab Cometa and Ian Torres to fill in issues. Moreover, Coach Charles wants the men in green and white to focus on their defense, take care of the ball, and execute their plays. As we head into the final period of this ball game, we will find out if the Blazers can maintain their flawless record despite the missing piece. Back to you, Anton and Bo.
If you just tuned in, Jomel Ancheta ejected at the 6:44 mark of the second quarter after throwing a punch at Pau Villar on a rebound play. But Benil has been doing well without him. Santos,
Sayang na naman. Tutukan eh. Ito si Jimboy. Di ba? Hindi ko sinasabi natin. Sa haba nito ni Santos, yung mga ganun dapat medyo ano na yun. Like 70% basket na yun. Pero
Bo,
still,
pinapakita mo sa akin yung disparity ng rebounding. 48-28, pabor sa Blazers.
yun na nga. Kasi yun nga, para dito sa mga nasa letra, they keep on missing. Rebound na rebound para dito sa ano. Pagdating dito naman sa kabilang end, like, nagkakaroon ng 3 or 4 times na possession nitong mga taga-Blazers.
Torres, Morales, Sanchez. Oh, natapigan ni Jimboy.
2 seconds on the shot clock. 2 seconds.
2 seconds on the shot clock para sa Benil.
They're running a 2-3 zone. Ang layo.
Tony Inot! Another one!
Ang layo ni Inot, ang layo din ng depensa ni Inot sa kanya. And you only have 2 seconds para itira. You need to have somebody in front of Tony.
3 out of 11 from beyond the arc. Torres with the interception.
Mark Sanko and Cap Gometa.
Ito, oh.
In for the Blazers.
2 seconds shot clock. Kanyang kalayo, ititira na lang eh. Inot needs somebody to be some guys in front of him. Hindi mo pwedeng iiwan ng ganong kalayo.
I'm surprised na nagkaroon ng misunderstanding yung
Oo.
Letran doon kasi bago pinasa sa loob, sinasabihan ni Quahaw si Montesillo, 2 seconds, 2 seconds.
oo. Iniwan niya si Tony sa ibabaw. ay.
Momentum na sana yun para sa Letran.
Oo. Kasi 9 na lang kanina eh. Single digits na lang eh. Bumalik na naman sa 12. Eto, Liwoy. Kanina pa nagkikis-kisan itong dalawan. That's what, yun naman ang kagandahan. Alam mo yung pisikalan okay. Pero above physicality itself, eh medyo hindi na tama. Di ba?
2 on the night.
Kanina pa itong dalawan to.
Fourth personal foul na yan ni Avilanar. Inot in the post. Inot.
Ayun na naman si
Sanchez.
Sanchez. Grabe.
Inot for 3.
Kevin Santos coming in for Pau
And Coach Charles is complaining na tinapik ni Alan Liwag. Ay, ni Coach Alan Ricardo. Yung bola. Coach Alan Liwag jokingly saving the ball. Eto. Ayan o. Bilis ng reflexes ni Coach Alan eh.
Medyo,
Is that allowed, Bo?
hindi. Kasi kanina natawagan the previous,
Oo.
di ba? Yung kinapik yung bola doon sa nag-dribble.
Montesillo. Wow. Wow! And there might have been a foul there also.
Oh, he's asking for a foul. Actually, akala ko ha,
Kasi may
may
contact
contact
talaga
sa
eh.
babae.
Nonetheless, Letran cutting this to a single-digit lead.
Binuwi mo kung hindi na shoot ni Inot yun, 6-point lead na lang. Di ba?
Every possession
Every
matters.
possession is really...
Oh! Offhand!
Mark Sanko.
Kaliwete yan. Mark Sanko finishing with the right hand. Floater. Good control. Montesillo. Wow, for 3.
Ayun!
Damn! Teo Quahao back-to-back triples.
Ito medyo nabubuhay na itong si Deo Quahao dito sa ball game natin. Inot naman sa kabila. Short.
Ito na. Momentum for Letran.
Sinasabihan siya doon ni Cometa na settle down, relax lang.
Estrada. Estrada. Quahao.
Oh!
Teo Quahao is on fire. 17 points.
Wow!
Here come the Letran Knights. Cometa. Sanko. Bola na kay Liwag. Liwag blocked.
Medyo maganda depensa ni Santos dito kay Liwag. Ito yung una ni nakakala niya na foul siya. Actually, yun din ang akala natin. And ito yung pangalawa.
Let's see if Inot will adjust his defense.
Ito yung pangatlo.
9 points in the fourth quarter for Teo Quahao. Santos for three.
nakisali. Wala.
Estrada.
Eto na
Quahao.
naman.
And that time, Cometa called for a foul but he wants a review. Sinasabi ni Cometa, naglabas daw ng paa.
Oo.
Itong si Deo.
We will have a review.
Actually, ganun din yung kanina ni Quahao nung akala niyang na-foul siya. Yung akala niyang na-foul siya na basket pa rin. Ganun din yung attempt niya eh. Yun ang kailangan mong ingatan if you're a defender and then you were defending a jump shooter.
A back review from
Ang una mong iiwasan dyan,
number 72.
landing
Cometa.
spot,
His second. 2 on the
yung,
Blazers.
alam mo yung konting bump mo lang sa
Three
shooter,
free throws
it will affect the
for
shot.
Deo Quahao.
So the referees will call foul.
Now, ang tanong ko, Bo, is what if ganun talaga yung shooting form ng player? Like James Yap.
You need
Di ba?
to-
Nakalabas yung paa.
You need to adjust. If you are a defender, you need to adjust. Kasi laging may advantage ang shooter. In any possession, may advantage ang shooter. Especially kung mga jump shooter na ganyan. May mga ganun kasi na talagang parang alam mo yung pa-fade away yung tira na
Yep.
nakalabas yung paa. We suddenly had a ball game. Akala natin kanina tutuloy-tuloy na ito CSB.
Wow. Converts all three three-pointers.
He has-
Or free throws.
He has 12 in this quarter, ha? Oh!
Yun lang.
Okay lang. They're not getting the penalty.
So Quahao knocking down 3 3-pointers and 3 free throws after being fouled.
Number 29, Teo Quahao is first.
What a game. What a fourth
Three on the
quarter.
Knights.
Lumamang na ng 14 ang binil.
Second foul on Teo Quahao.
Inon. Sanchez. Steps back. Sanko, this could be huge for Benil.
Oh!
Mark Sanko with a 3-point bomb.
Right time para dito kay Mark Sanko.
Nunan to Estrada. Jimboy. Escape dribble. Jimboy
Oy!
Estrada over the outstretched arm of Alan Liwag. What a fadeaway by Jimboy Estrada.
Over the stretch arm. Ito yun naman yung 3 points ni Sanko. Tama ka, lefty nga siya. Tumira ng open kanina eh. Ito yung atake ni Jimboy. Over the stretch arm. Stretch arm of Alin Liwag.
There is a review.
Winning time to, Bo.
Oo.
Winning time.
But
Makikita na natin.
The thing about this Letran Knights, they need to go back on defense. Kasi ang bilis eh. After the conversion of Estrada, in-inbound agad nila. Ang nagiging problema nila, si Jimboy pa ang mag-aano doon sa depensa ulit. Kailangan they need to go back in their front court to play defense naman.
Fast break points. 23 para sa Benil, 0 para sa Letran.
17 kanina yan in the first half. They need to have a better transition defense.
So malinaw, may foul.
Oh, I think they were reviewing if it's a hack of shooting or something mga second motion, something like that. Wala. Regular foul.
Father
Blocking
Beautiful
foul,
Stays.
pero walang free throws.
Blocking foul on number 26, Jimboy Estrada. That's his fourth.
Apat na rin ni Jimboy yan.
98 seconds on the shot clock.
Crucial possession for Benil.
They need to make a basket on this.
Bola na kay Cometa. Cometa taking his time. Cometa accelerates. Liwag offensive rebound.
Malakas.
Too strong. Santos with the
Oy!
board. Pero wala pa sa penalty ang Benil.
Oo. Maganda ginagawa nito ni Santos dito. He's challenging all. Ayun no. Tumalon lang siya. Not even blocking the shot. And na-rebound ni Alin Liwag. Malakas.
3 on the Blazers.
Malakas lang yung tira ni Alin Liwag.
Here we go. Letran with a chance to tie the game with a 3.
Diba? Can you imagine? Santos and Habil Lunar at the same time. Diba?
Hindi pa natin nakikita.
Hindi ko pa nakikita. Actually, yun ang hinahanap ko yung mga previous games nila. Yung dalawang na naglaro sa Montesilio. Wala.
For the
Eto
time
na
sana
naman.
yun.
Uy!
And Liwag beat Santos on that rebounding play.
Kala ko, kuha na ni Santos doon. Eto si Inot.
Tony
Short.
Inot. But it is Benil basketball. The referee say
Coming in for Gab Cometa. 14
tama ka, Bo, yung transition defense ng Letran.
Oh!
Kasi sure ball na sana yun eh.
Matik na naman eh. Kung sakasakali eh.
Nakaswerte doon ang Letran.
Short on that attempt by Tony Inot. Walang eh. Yung alam mo yung nagdadala ng bola, you need to at least istapin mo lang. Wala na naman.
Knockout play sana.
Sayang.
Another chance para sa mga Letranista.
Dalawang possession. Witness para dito kay Alin Liwag.
Estrada against Liwag. Estrada. 5 on the shot clock. Estrada. Chip point. Estrada. Letran down by 1.
Na-timingan ni Estrada doon si Alin Liwag. Talagang gusto niya. Gusto niyang 1-on maging. Dahil alam niyang he has the speed advantage dito kay Alin Liwag.
Oh! Ball deflected. Sanchez.
Oy!
And that's going to be 2 free throws and the 5th foul on Jimboy Estrada.
Coming foul on number 26.
So their
Jimboy
go-to
Estrada.
guy in the clutch is gone.
Jimboy Estrada, 5 fouls.
Whoa, this is a huge problem for Letran.
Oo, with 1 minute and 24 seconds dito sa ball game natin. It's a 1-point lead, ha? 1-point lead. But still, you have Deo Quahao on the other side. He has the hot hands dito sa fourth quarter natin. Scoring 12 points in this quarter with 3 3-points and 3 free throws.
Times like this, in the past couple of seasons, meron kang Franyu, meron kang Renza Bando, meron kang Kurt Rayson,
Meron kang Brent Paraiso.
Brent Paraiso. This
You have-
season, it should have been Jimboy Estrada, but he has fouled out.
Oh, somebody needs to step up. You still have Kobe Monhe, you have Quahao. Kaya lang si Pau is on the bench kasi nga ang ganda ng nilalaro nito ni Santos.
Nako, Mukhang nakakaramdam na ng pulikat si Montesilio.
Oh, kanina pa siya naglalaro eh.
Interesting lineup, Bo. You have Baliling in, Edunag and Santos. Wow, is there in the corner already. Benil only up by 2. Inot face guarding Deo Quahao. Baliling.
Kala ko ititira.
Quahao coming off the screen. Deo Quahao says, I don't need a screen. Deo Quahao for 3.
Short.
Quahao. Nuna
Yes,
ties
sir.
the game.
Tulad ng sinasabi ko, we still have Quahao. And it's our 10th deadlock dito sa ball game natin.
69 all. It's winning time. Tony Inon to Santos. Santos could not hold on to the basketball.
Letran needs to have a rebounding discipline on this one. Ganda ng rebound niya, ito sinunag sa gitna. Sinurbol niya na yun.
Nahawakan na ni Santos eh.
Oo.
Napitawan lang. But what a shot right there by Nuna.
69 all with 43 seconds remaining dito sa ball game natin.
Tandaan po natin, wala pang talo ang Benil.
Oh.
4-0.
And so
Minus
far,
2-2.
and so far, this is the closest ball game that they had in 5 games, ha? They're averaging 16? 16.8. Dito, tabla tayo with 43 seconds.
Nag-overtime na ng isang beses ang Benil against San Beda. They won 70-65.
Payag rin naman tayo mag-overtime eh.
Nakakatatlong overtime na tayo. Season 100, 3 overtimes already.
Isa sa akin doon.
Sa akin yung Beda Benil eh.
Papayag kami ng overtime, walang problema.
Here we go. We have Sanko, Liwag, Sanchez, Inon, and Torres on the floor for the Blazers. Inon, dinedepensa ni Quahao. 9 on the shot clock. Inon,
Wala.
misses.
Ayun naman. Oy!
Oh!
Wala pa sa penalty. I think that's their fourth foul para dito sa mga taga CSB.
So
That's
isa
their
na lang.
isa nila.
Isa na lang.
Samantalang
Sa penalty na.
itong Letran, they're already in the penalty.
Who will get the basketball here? No more Jimboy Estrada. Estrada has fouled out.
They need to cross the half-court line and then you still have Quahao there.
Bola na kay Nat Montesilio.
Kaya lang dinidepensyan sa dito ni Tony Inon.
Montesilio. 10 on the shot clock. Montesilio, drop pass. Santos gives the lead to Letran. That's the first basket of the game for Kevin Santos. He was 0 for 5 prior to that shot.
Kanina pa siya nagmimintes doon sa mga tirang gano'n. It's either sobra malakas, but doon on a drop off galing dito kay Montesilio, sinigurado na ni Santos yun.
And now we see why Ray Nambatak praised Montesilio as a player that he expects to step up. What a setup job by Montesilio. And look at the celebration.
Grabe. Only made shot para dito kay Santos. Panglamang pa.
Pero last second twist, Spain.
Benilde has been in a similar situation. It was Jomel Ancheta who hit a clutch 3, but Ancheta has been ejected. On the floor for Benilde, Inot, Torres, Eusebio, Sanko, and Liwag. Bo, ano sa tingin mo mangyayari dito?
I think Coach Charles will go with Tony Inot on this one. It's it might be a ball skin between Inot and Liwag.
James
Diba? So,
coming in for the
but
Knights.
the Knights are on a 1-2-2 zone with 13.3 seconds.
And the new player, ngayon lang pinasok, Pradelia.
Oo, diba? Ano lang? Yun lang talaga.
Ian Torres. Torres to Inon. Inon! Eusebio for the win!
Wala!
And the Letran Knights
Wow!
escape! They beat Benil! A come from behind victory!
69
Oh my
Blazers
goodness!
and 71 for the
Wow!
win by
Without Jimbo Estrada, without Pau Habilionar.
That shot by Eusebio was halfway down.
Oh!
It was wide open.
And it's a good stroke para dito kay Eusebio. He almost made it. And this is the guy who kept the Letran Knights alive in this ball game.
Bo, when it mattered the most, Kevin Santos,
Oh!
only field goal.
kanina pa tayo lang ihinayang sa kanya. Eto, Inot has the shot pero inabol siya doon ni Santos, ha? Di ba? Kaya naipasa niya doon kay Eusebio on the left side.
Pwede maging turning point to
Diba?
para kay Santos.
Di ba?
He's being celebrated
Diba?
right now by his teammates.
He's being praised by his teammates, pare.
He won the game for Letran.
Oh.
He won the game for them with that basket and then the defensive stop.
0 and 5 before he made that shot. And most of the shots are like that.